Hey everyone, it's me, and today's Wednesday, yeah. So, I was reading on the website, and this is finally back, and also some of my club members were telling me, go to South Hoof, so I'm gonna do that next. Yeah, today's gonna be a really lame day, okay? Shush, I had school, and, oh my god, me. I had school today, and, I don't know what else to do in my life. Let's do this. So I heard if you like jump on the golden clouds. Oh gosh. They only do it once a day for you to. Oh my god. Might have to turn my brightness just a little bit down so that I could see them. So this is like somewhat up. But oh my god. Okay. Okay, I wasn't recording, but I just got like flung up in the air. Oh, yeah, I also read on the website, these are collector's thing, and you're supposed to find, like, all of them, and because it's stuff that, what's her name left? Oh my gosh, Naomi just logged on, and, she might Skype me, because she said our headphones are coming in today, so, hey! I'll be back.
Yeah. Also, say hi.
Hi.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
Oh, tell them about my channel.
Oh, don't forget.
Okay, go to...
Okay, shh. Don't forget to go follow Juliana Wrights. Oh, hi. My club owner's here. I'm already, like, across the earth. Do you, hold on, maybe, I don't know where the entrance is. Do you see the purple circle-y thing that has purple, like, words that we don't understand around it? Yeah, that's where I am. Oh my god, it gives you pink wings! I had a burp.
Oh, at the rainbow place.
Oh my god! It gives you wings! Loves. Okay, hold on. Click on it. Yeah.
Do they give you pets?
An
ugly saddlebag? Oh my god! Oh, these
Hello. I said,
oh my god, this hat looks so cute on me! Because I've got the face strap thing.
oh my gosh. Wait, they have a store? I don't see, oh, there's the store.
Where's the store?
There's the store. Oh my gosh. The sunglasses.
There is a pink, the golden cloud will scatter golden horseshoes throughout the area for you to collect once a day. Collect them all to get a big bonus to a horse XP. Okay.
Oh my gosh,
Oh my god, come on, really?
I already did it.
Oh, you're mean.
No, I'm not. To be honest, this, tat kind of looks good on fire to me.
Oh, gather these golden horseshoes.
They're everywhere. Yeah.
I'm getting friendship and
Me. Me when someone calls my name.
Arya Misty.
In the background's going, ho, ho, ho. How I feel.
Are you coming?
I have wings. Shush it.
Wait, where are you?
Hold on, I'm coming back. Do you see the purple circle-y thingy? You have no idea what I'm
Are
talking
you
about.
in the rainbow race?
No.
Oh, that. Oh, there's horseshoes over there. I'm coming.
Rib. Cries. Oh my gosh, when you do it, it's like a video game, because it like goes blacks out, blacks in.
Oh, Rayleigh, what are we in right now? A video game.
I know, but like, you don't, never mind, you don't never
You
mind.
don't see this every day, do you?
No, I do.
Oh my god, there's a... What is this?
It's a snake.
No, I'm an eagle and you're a zebra.
How the heck am I a zebra?
I don't know. You're striped. You have stripes. You have colors.
I want my reflection to a soul.
I keep on falling.
Same.
I'm falling and I'm taking... You are... You're just levitating.
Oh, for me, you were levitating. Are you leaving me?
Huh?
So different. I've already seen
Have you
it.
seen it?
Yeah.
Why did you...
It's me.
Okay.
No, I want to see it in real life. I've only seen it on like a video, and then that's it.
Really? This is not real life.
I said I mean real life on my computer. You know what I mean. Cat.
Pearls. What is this? Where am I?
I
Oh
love,
my gosh, there's mushrooms!
I love cats.
Woo!
Someone in club chat said cat. I said I love cat. I love cat.
I'm at the bouncing mushroom.
Oh, yeah, that place. Dun, 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 dun. We're gonna go see South Hoof. Okay, I'm trailing because I'm lazy. I'm so ecstatic.
Oh, close my eyes.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. I'm making a video. Really, stop.
I love it. Why am I doing that?
Okay, I'm gonna start a video too. Okay, you ready?
Okay, hold on.
Let me out.
I'm just gonna go look at them. I'm not gonna buy them. Even if I do, you have to force me not to.
Horse of a horse. I gotta call for pickup.
What did you just say? Oh my god.
I had to call for pickup and I'm coming back. I got stuck, Riley.
Don't we all get stuck? Like, I always get stuck.
Not like that. That's the glitch tower, really. It's different. You understand me.
I understand. I'm glad you're not that kind of friend. I'm really glad you're not that kind of friend that is like over dramatic. Like, oh my god, I got a paper cut. It's bleeding. Somebody call 911.
Like Charlie?
She's not that dramatic. No, they haven't updated the Welsh ponies, thankfully, because I love them when they. Force me not to do it. Force me not to do it. Force me not to do it.
Wait, share your screen with me. Because I'm stuck.
Me and Naomi were matching, and yeah, I forgot to do an outro, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you want to see more. Bye!